just a bunch of fields, and then in the horizon, it's a GC. I can't zoom in properly. It's a GCI. My babies, Kentucky Rumbler. Let's go. Oh! Oh my God. This weekend, I'm doing a little bit of a road trip, just like I did last weekend with Busch Gardens and King's Dominion. I'm going to Beech Bend tomorrow, and then Holiday World on Saturday, and then Kentucky Kingdom on Sunday. So I'm currently driving from Cashers to Bowling Green, which is where Beech Bend is, and on the way, I'm stopping at a Buc-ee's. I've never been to one before. I'm sure Southern people will do a bunch of backflips or something. I don't know, Buc-ee's is cool, right? He's a funky looking fella, I think. Yeah, I'm about to check out whatever the fuck this is. Apparently it's always a madhouse in there, so let's see what it's like. Jesus Christ. Holy goddamn shit. This place is crazy. Some elite bathrooms. So I got some of their apparently famous glazed pecans. I don't really give a shit. I'm gonna try some. Oh, and I already spilled them. Cool, but here's one. That's gas. Good shit. Thanks, Buc-ee's. Back to the rest of the video, I don't fucking know.
The next day.
It is fucking wooden coaster weekend, baby. I'm at Beech Bend in Bowling Green, Kentucky to go on Kentucky Rumbler. That's the entire reason I'm here. They have two other coasters. I don't particularly give a shit about them. They're both spinning coasters. I'll do each of them once and never again, and then see how many times I can ride Kentucky Rumbler before I have to leave to get over to Holiday World. So it's a jam-packed weekend, but it's what I'm here for. I get on one Woody today, 3 tomorrow, and then 2 more on Sunday. All about the wooden coasters, baby. But let's do it. It's raining out right now, so I'm kind of chilling in the car, waiting for that to subside, and then I'm gonna go in and just get my rides in Kentucky Rumbler. Let's fucking get it. So I actually managed to get permission to film on the rides here, so I'm not sure what the actual rules are. I have to ask each ride op what I'm allowed to do and what I'm not allowed to do, but we'll see what I can do in terms of POVs, especially on Kentucky Rumbler. I'm gonna go on the SPF visa first if it's open. I don't know if it is, but we'll see. Never mind, it's closed right now. I think a lot of rides are closed because it was just raining, but I'm gonna go over to Kentucky Rumbler. Let's do it. Might as well start out with the GCI. I saw Rumbler operating when I drove into the parking lot, but it did rain in between then and now, so no idea if it's down for a little bit or not, but I don't see trains going. They have a very interesting policy here where if you're filming on the rides, you have to be by yourself. So there are people in line, but I'm completely alone. And I feel like such an asshole because everyone's just sitting there at the gates waiting to get on and I'm just in here by myself. This is really weird, but let's go, I guess. I'm gonna enjoy it while I got it. This is the only POV I'm getting, so let's fucking go. That's really good. I love that. That's a beast. Before I talk about the ride, that was just like a deeply uncomfortable experience. Having everyone just sort of stare at me, be like, "Oh, this fucking asshole is taking up the train and we can't ride it." Very weird experience, but I guess that's Beech Bend's rule. It's a liability to have anyone film on ride if there's anyone else there. But on to Kentucky Rumbler. Really, really good GCI. It's super smooth. There's one section of Titan track, which I'm sure was necessary, but all the other turns were super smooth too. It wasn't a full train, obviously, so I'll have to get it with a full train to really feel what the actual forces are like, and that's what I'm gonna do right now, just go back and lap it. Really fun coaster. I love GCIs, so obviously I was gonna like it, but it's great. Beast, but I felt so many prying eyes on me, man. I don't like that. Yeah, Rumbler's a beast. I got a back row ride on it now, full train. It sends it. It's got some really good pacing, some great air time. It's not one of the best GCIs, but it's a GCI, so I love it. Probably like firmly above like White Lightning, but I'm not really sure where it ranks up against the likes of Thunderhead and whatnot. So I'm riding Thunderhead next weekend, so I'll find out, I guess, the comparison there. But super cool ride. I'm a big fan. All right, I will come back to Rumbler in a little bit, but I got 2 more credits to get and a drop tower that I want to get on and a log flume that will hopefully open. It looks like it's closed right now, but they're cycling logs, so it might be opening soon. I got some other things to do, but then I will be back here to maybe hopefully marathon this thing a little bit before I leave and head over to Santa Claus, which is a 90-minute drive, so I don't want to stay here too late if I can avoid it. It's like 5:30 right now, so we'll see. Oh boy, these things are intense as hell. I'm super excited for this. Fun time drop towers go hard. Kentucky Rumbler is a beaut. Total beaut. Great coaster. This is international. Shut up. Oh my god. They get me every time, man. It's so good. Zero G is a sick drop tower. So intense. I had no idea when the cycle was actually gonna like send it down. It was way before I expected. That stomach drop feeling goes crazy on those, and I like that shit, unlike, you know, a lot of people, so. Beast. Now I'm gonna go try to see if the spinning wild mouse is open. It didn't look like it was, but they don't really seem to run too many trains on the rides here, so it may not have that many on there, so we'll see. Looks as though the wild mouse has been abandoned, so I may be missing out on a credit here. not really too upset about it. I fucking hate spinning mice, but hopefully it'll open at some point. It appears that the ride ops for Wild Mouse have left it abandoned, so that credit looks like it's not coming. I'm not really gonna lose my shit over that. The fact that I didn't miss a single credit in Germany is more than good enough for me for the year, so I'm not gonna complain over rides I don't give a shit about. Like, I don't really care about wild mice at all, so not a problem. But that being said, let's go get on a spinning SPF visa. Just did a quick double check to see if the spinning mouse even comes close to opening. It's completely abandoned. That thing is not opening. I'm gonna try to get on this haunted house ride thing. No idea what it is, but I'll see if I can record on it. I always love those campy little family park haunted houses, although that one is a little like gruesome for kids for sure. There's some serious gore in there, at least for like a kid's ride. I really like this park. A lot of cool people here. Everyone I've talked to has been super nice. They just seem to have some maintenance issues with a lot of their rides. Log flume is down, which seems like a Disney kind of problem nowadays to have a log flume not working, but their log flume's not working, their SPF visa spinner's not working, their Wild Mouse has been completely abandoned. In terms of like people and interactions, this place is great. And of course, Kentucky Rumbler is dope. Honestly worth it, like to come here alone. It's $20 to get in here after through like 4-ish on like weekends in the summer. Super worth it. And speak of the devil, the log flume is open. That's the last thing I needed. Let's go do it, then get some re-rides on Rumbler and I'm out of here. Beech Bend is a winner though. Come check it out, super worth. They also gave me the wristband to record on things, so I'm totally biased. Paid sponsorship. I'm like holding on for dear life so I don't fall backwards right now. Oh my god. Okay. I finally got my log flume. Let's go. I'm by myself. There's nothing stopping me from sliding back in this thing. Oh boy. There's Kentucky Rumbler. Beauty. Time to get wet. Or not. I don't really know how this thing's gonna go. Oh! 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 Okay, I got a little wet. I didn't expect to get that wet, but nice. Oh, that's good. Oh my god. This is literally like a workout. I'm wrapping my legs around this to keep myself from falling all the way back in the tree or in the log. This is brutal. Oh, I gotta like hold on. Oh my god. Oh. Okay, I'm alive. That is such a silly way to seat people. There needs to be like some sort of back in here, but all right, big drop. Let's go. Got my shoes a little bit wet, but not too bad. Gotta love log flumes. That was fun. Log flume was a ton of fun, as expected. Got a little wetter than I thought I would based on what everyone else was doing on the ride, but super fun. I'm glad I got on it. Now I'm just gonna lap Rumbler for a little bit and then I'm heading out. Beech Bend has my heart. I like it. They do their best. You know, anytime you got a fun time drop tower, a GCI, a good log flume, and literally anything else, you're in good shape, I think. So it's really good that I went on the log flume when I did, because like right after I got off of it, it went down again. So I think it was open for maybe like 20 minutes total, but I managed to get on it while it was open, so big dubs. Damn, that's the log I rode in earlier. I wonder if that thing could have killed me. I just love the way they get it out of here too. So that's gonna do it for me from Beech Bend. This park's what I hoped Lake Winnie would be. Just a charming little family spot. I know a lot of the rides weren't open like they should have been, but that just happens sometimes. Everyone I met here was super nice. Some people who were curious about why I was filming with the GoPro and were very sweet. Just a good park with some good rides and good vibes, and I'm happy with it. I'm glad I came here. I don't know if I'll ever be back unless they, I don't know, fully tighten track Kentucky Rumbler or something. I doubt they need to. It's not rough at all. Come visit Beech Bend if you're ever in Bowling Green for any reason or going to Holiday World and need something to do. This is a great stop on the way. I mean, it's 90 minutes away, but you know, it's a great stop if you got the time. Kentucky Rumbler rules. That's about it. Bye-bye.